H-index. In this video, we will take a look at how to find author's H-index. What is H-index? H-index measures both the productivity and citation impact of the published body of work of a scientist or scholar. It is based on the set of the scientist's most cited papers and the number of citations that they have received in other publications. Formula. A scientist has index H if H of his or her NP, number of papers have at least H citations each, and the other, NP, H, papers have fewer than H citations each. Next. How to find an author's H-index using Scopus. First, click Authors. Second, enter author first name. Third, enter author last name. Next, click Search. After that, click author name to view author's profile. Scopus will display the author's H-index. Click View H-graph to adjust different variable and recalculate the H-index. For example, the range of dates of the documents published by the author. Thank you.